So I don't really want to introduce these links that are because I think the works can speak about themselves, but I'd like to say a few words about a work of mine from 2018 because I'm currently editing a conversation about this piece. This piece is a composition for five singers and a cell phone titled I saw the world collapse and it was only a word. Um, it hit me the day before yesterday. I was sitting listening actually to the Infinite Hip Hop song while working on editing this conversation and trying to make it more precise, trying to think about what the piece was about and what I'm trying to do with it. And it hit me suddenly, although it was so obvious, it suddenly hit me that this title is so well relevant to the present moment. What I like about I Saw the World Collapse and It Was Only a Word is that the collapse that this work is driven by, the collapse that it sees, the collapse that it senses, the collapse that it comes from, is a constant occurring thing. It's not something that happens now, it's not something that happens in the past. It's based upon the idea that within every human interaction, within every moment we look at each other, within every moment in which there is a sort of moment of communication, within every moment in which we understand that we are someone and that we are dealing with someone else, that we are a collective and that we are individuals, there is a sense of this collapse underlying everything. And I think from what we have been witnessing in the past couple of weeks, maybe, I think this seems to make a lot of sense because the moments of hysteria that you see in the supermarket, how a certain type of rabid kind of fear and aggression, actually also irrational sort of aggression, is suddenly coming to the surface, the way that the whole world more or less has not been able to deal with an emergency that could occur, for me undercuts this deep sense of a very fragile ecosystem that we imagine to be our civilization and that we imagine to be very solid, but that might actually in the end be something much more. Yeah, that's all I have to say for now. Bye bye.